Exercise 2. We have a model, a function, t of h equals 3h plus 15. And this function models the temperature in degrees of Celsius of a liquid in a container after 8 hours of cooling. Like I keep saying, in all these exercises, the most important thing is to understand which two variables are connected. We have h, that is supposed to be the independent variable and represents the hours of cooling. And then we have T of h, which is the temperature of this liquid, in degrees of Celsius. So depending the hours of cooling, we get the temperature of the liquid. Now, let's see what we need to find. Based on the model, so based on this function, what is the predicted temperature? So what should be the value of T when we are after 8 hours of cooling? So when h is 8. So basically, I need to find T of 8. To do so, I will simply go on that model and substitute h by 8. So T of 8 would be 3 times 8 plus 15, which is equal to 24 plus 15, and this is obviously equal to 39, and this makes C the right answer for this question.